Sage. I'm burning sage tonight. I just bought a kit from off Amazon. This is the maker of the kit, which includes this stuff, but I gotta learn about. A little feather thing. I don't know what this pouch is for. I don't know. These things here, I don't know what they're for, but I'm gonna learn. It comes with 2 sage sticks, I guess. I don't know what they're called. I already had this before my sister gave it to me, but I didn't burn it because I think I needed a dish to smudge it. Smudging is the name of this thingy. So I had to do a little research, so I knew that I needed a tray so I can put it out in or whatever. Feather to fan the smoke. So I bought this. I think it was about $15 to $20. I'm not sure. I can't remember. But it just came in the mail today. So I'm going to do some saging, some cleansing, some smudging, or whatever you want to call it. I don't know what these sticks are for, but I'm going to learn something today and over the next couple days. Anyway, that's it from here. Happy smudging. Feather. No, that's the feather. I don't know what's in this pouch, but I'm gonna check it in a minute. Can't do it while I got the phone in my hand. Feather for fanning. I didn't know who Tradition this was. I think they says Indian, but that's fine. Some people may say Chinese, who knows, or Asian, who knows, but I already had this one. But anyway, I will holler at you guys after I finish smudging.